incident recently happened in Mumbai.
Yeah. It's really sad. See, I mean, if there is any kind of terrorism in any place, it's just, I mean, there's no sense to it. It's absolutely, it's really tragic, and it's terrible to even hear of it. I have been in London twice when it happened in London, so I mean, I don't know. I think everywhere in the world the situation seems to be the same, you know. And at the end, it's just innocent people that get affected, which is so unfair. I don't know what more can we do except for feel terrible and feel bad and condemn it. So it's just sad, and it's not a very good thing to know of or a good thing to read. It's very disturbing actually.
सर आपके संवेदना चाहेंगे जो अटैक हुआ है उसके ऊपर अनंतनाग में कुछ शरणार्थी दर्शन के लिए लोग जा रहे थे और उन पे अंधाधुंध गोलियां चलाई गई
जी।
आपकी तरफ से कुछ संवेदना के शब्द अगर आप कहना चाहें।
ऑब्वियसली हर इंसान अपना हार्टफेल्ट कंडोलेंस दे सकता है, अपनी जो प्रार्थनाएं, दुआएं, प्रेयर, जो भी आप कहो, जो भी फॉर्म में जो लोग जिस तरीके से करते वही दे सकते हैं. एंड एज I always say that terrorism has no religion, so we cannot bound a religion and say these are terrorist religions or this is the religion that does terrorism. People who kill people are, according to me, are not worth living, no matter what religion they belong to. And I would never support terrorism irrespective of any religion they belong to, even if they are Muslims, because I am one. So people have a thing that, you know, if a Islamic person is commenting, it's going to be a little biased. But I was very happy when you know, the other situations में भी जो लोगों ने फाइनल रिजल्ट दिया था, एंड द फाइनल थिंग वाज आई वाज विद इट एंड आई एम टुडे आल्सो विद इट. whoever is it needs to be punished, needs to be given worst of the worst punishment. And the only thing I can say is my heartfelt condolences is with the family and with everybody who's lost their loved ones, and this should never ever happen, no matter which country, no matter which city, no matter which religion. So yeah.
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की, और सबसे बड़ी बात जो रिलीजन की आपने बात की, मतलब उन लोगों को जिन लोगों जो बस ड्राइवर था जिसने बचाया, he is Salim.
Yeah. ऐसे I think बहुत सारी चीज़ें, even if you see the London attack, what happened, I think the major people who were helping were Muslims. But I never think, I really feel it's so stupid, because somewhere we are progressing so much. People are going to Mars, Moon, God knows where all, and then eventually you come back to Hindu Muslim. I think that's the worst debate to have. I don't stand by that. I have a lot of people who I've just come from a religious trip. So when I wear Western clothes, they start abusing me on Instagram, saying that, oh, you're a Muslim, you should not do this. I don't believe in this. I don't follow that. People's perception is not what I follow. I follow the way I live. I'm happy the way I am, and the person who I'm supposed to please is myself. And if my parents are happy, nobody else, people will keep judging you. So I think this always happens, and this is the worst thing to happen. So I definitely do not support it in any form.
You must have heard about the tragedy which some of the pilgrims met. Some wishes for some prayers for it, like to express something.
I think until a couple of years ago, we all used to talk about globalization, okay, we all are becoming one, and in the past year we're seeing that people want to become isolated, they want to become insular, and they don't want to mix with the world, and there's a lot of hate, a lot of fear in this world, और कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो इसको बढ़ाना चाहते हैं और आपस में हम सबको अलग करना चाहते हैं. I'm very proud to be an Indian. I'm very proud to live in a secular country like this. I'm very proud that we are people from all castes, backgrounds, religions, and we all live in India as one. तो जो कोई भी हमें अलग करना चाहता है, मेरी बस हमेशा यही दुआ है और यही वार्निंग है उनको कि आप कुछ भी करेंगे लेकिन हम कभी अलग नहीं होंगे. And the fact that so many more pilgrims went this morning shows that they're not afraid, and we will fight this, and the only way to fight terror is to stand united and to stand as one. तो मेरी बस यही दुआ है that we always stand united against terror in India, globally, because that's what the world needs right now. That is our biggest threat, our biggest enemy, and we need to fight it together.